good morning. Thank you for coming today.
Good morning, Mr. Charles.
What is your name, please?
My full name is Lemakan, but you can call me Kan.
Thank you, Kan. And how are you feeling today?
Of course, a little worried, but it's great.
You have nothing to worry about. Kan, the test today will be about 12 to 15 minutes and it will be in 3 parts. So if you're ready, we can start?
I'm ready.
Perfect. Kan, let's talk about mobile phones first. How often do you use your mobile phone?
Honestly, I don't use it much now. About 5 hours a day. I don't know if that's a little or not, but I found that we cannot deny that mobile phone is the significant invention on the world. And because it helps us to study, acquire new knowledge, and also the entertainment. So that's why I really love my mobile phone.
Fantastic, thank you. What do you usually use it for?
As I had said, I really love my mobile phone because not only is my birthday gift from my dad, but also it is the weapon that helped me a lot. Like it gives me knowledge from the TikTok, the hashtag learn on TikTok. I surf it a lot, so I can learn from my mobile phone.
Brilliant, thank you. Do you think you use your mobile too much?
Not at all anymore. As I had said, I used to be the person I cannot live without my mobile phone. But then I realized that I just spent all my day just surfing, and without no new knowledge. Yeah. So when I realized that, I started to change, and I can vividly remember that I would start with I set the time limit on the iPhone. So now I can control my hobby.
Your hobby. Thank you so much. Let's move on now to talk about the weekends. What do you usually do on the weekend?
Actually, I have a lot of things to do on my relaxed days, but I love nothing more than hanging out with my friends.
Good.
Yes, I would pick her to the coffee shop, but we usually come to each other's house, sharing the food, and I would tell her a lot of things that happened in my week. And fortunately, I feel really relaxed and unwind after long working days.
Beautiful, well done. Do you prefer relaxing at home or going out?
I definitely an extrovert person, so I will keen on hanging outside. I will usually spend time with my friends, my family, but I always spend time with myself because when I'm being alone, I feel like I can recharge my social battery and I feel much better.
Thank you. Has the way you spend your weekends changed over time?
Absolutely, yes. I've just realized that my hobbies and my activities at the weekend has changed a lot from the beginning. In the past, I used to prefer stay in my house and surfing the internet like other people, other friends. But then I realized that I need my memories, my beloved people more than the information on the internet. Yes. So I start to meet my friend and gather with my family.
Beautiful, thank you. Okay, Kan, we'll now move on to part 2. In part 2, I will give you a question and you have 1 minute to prepare and then you will speak for 2 minutes, okay?
Okay.
So, the question is, please, can you describe a skill you would like to learn? Okay, Kan, that's the end of your minute now. So when you're ready, please start.
There are many abilities that I really want to master. However, if I had to pick one, it would be photography. Because I'm learning at Livingston High School, which is located in a thriving metropolis, Ho Chi Minh City, where every student at my school are really good at taking photos. And moreover, my school is famous for a talented photography club named Origin. So that's the reason why I really want to learn a little bit about this skill. I'm passionate about photography for a variety of reasons. Firstly, I'm the person that really appreciates memories in my life. So whenever I gather with my beloved people, I really want to save everything in the pictures, especially our smile and our moments at that time. Secondly, I really love traveling around the world. So I would like to capture on the breathtaking views everywhere I go. That's really fantastic, it's my passion. Lastly, the most realistic reason is I want to take photos for my sister and my brothers. I can vividly remember last summer we had a trip to Maldives, the most beautiful beaches of the world. And my sister wanted me to take photos for her. And you know what? I have her to take the ugliest photos of the year. And of course, it made her blood boil. And at that time, when she yelled at me, my heart sank. But now, when I have a little bit skill of photography, I'm much more confident. In the future, I will learn more about photography because that is my passion.
Thank you so much. Well done, Khan. Excellent. Well done. Okay, we will now move on to part 3 now, and we will continue about learning new skills. Okay, well done. Do you think learning new skills is important in today's world?
Absolutely, yes. Because the world is developing every day, and if we don't find out the way to improve ourselves, we cannot keep up with each other. And imagine that everyone is moving forward quickly, and we just walking slowly, surfing the internet and do nothing. So I think it is vitally important to improve ourselves by new knowledge in order to survive and grow in today's world.
Thank you so much. Wow. What skills are important for young people today?
I have lots of idea about this question, but I would like the most important skill for adolescents is time management. Because I found that my friends are really ambitious and they want to handle everything in their life, from work, earn money or learn new things, a lot of things. But the problem is they cannot manage their time. So they use their sleep time just to earn more money like that. And I start to have the question is the cost of success is our mental and physical health? So I think in the future I will make my plan more specifically in order to warrant my health.
Thank you. Well done. Wow. Do you think it's better to learn skills online or with a teacher?
From my perspective, I think it depends on the people's personality. For example, introvert people, this type of person will keen on learning from home because I think that they will not really enjoy when they meet people outside and talking like this because they will a little bit shy or something like that. But in contrast, extrovert people, they really would like to speak like this, like face to face. Like me, I want to sit at a table with my teacher like this because I can acquire new knowledge better.
Thank you. I can definitely tell you're an extrovert. And the final question for today, well done. Do people in your country prefer to learn practical skills or academic skills?
It's an interesting question. I think Vietnamese people are keen on the practical skill because we have a lot of job in our country like hair, nail dressing or something like that, and that professions do not need really much academic knowledge, and so I think that we will prefer practice and we will have more experience from our practice. So that's why I think that we don't need a lot of knowledge in the books, but we can't deny that the knowledge from books is really useful. And in the future, I will keep reading books to have more skill.
Thank you. Well done. And that brings us to the end of the test. Well done. Congratulations. Fantastic. Well done, Khan. Brilliant. Amazing. Can we talk for a minute? How did you find that test? How did you find it? Did you think it was good, bad? How do you feel it went?
At first, horrible.
Terrible, really. Okay.
because I'm so worried.
Really, this is a problem many students have. They feel very scared during the tests. But once, like your part 3 was excellent.
Excellent.
Yeah. So
I
I
find
feel
it really horrible. It's so bad.
it's a difficult topic about learning new skills. But I thought you did really well. Some of your vocabulary was fantastic. The fluency was wonderful. Your intonation so natural, like having a conversation with a friend.
I found that I used wrong grammar.
No. It wouldn't. You would get a very high mark for that. Yeah. One piece of advice I would give you is maybe to slow down a little bit.
Yes.
You speak very fast. You speak much faster than I do. So maybe just slow down a little bit, give yourself time to think, because your fluency was really good. But if you just slow down a little bit, I think that would help you to organize your ideas. But overall, I found it really nice. Some of your phrases, it cannot be doubted, it cannot be denied. I mean, it's beautiful. I loved your part 2.
My part 2.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so worried about that part.
No, it was really fluent. It was lovely. And your story about your sister, I can vividly remember. Is that true?
It's true.
True.
Her blood boiled for you.
Wow. Well, listen, I want to say a big thank you to you for coming today, yeah? Good job.
Thank
You did a great
you.
job.